AI is everywhere in 2025, but using AI for Pinterest doesn't have to mean AI slop or complicated tech. If you run a blog, shop, or online business, AI can save you hours in Pinterest marketing. From brainstorming ideas to creating pins to automating the entire process, if you know how to use it the right way. And today, I'll teach you how. Hi, I'm Max. I share weekly Pinterest marketing videos to help bloggers, online shop owners, and affiliate marketers get their content seen without burning out. And today, I'll show you the top 3 ways to use AI for Pinterest, including ideation, how to spark endless pin and content ideas with the right AI tools, creation, how to quickly design pins, titles, and descriptions that match your brand and vibe, and finally, automation, how to schedule your pins and use AI to keep creating fresh pins with minimal effort. If that sounds like your vibe, now's a great time to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss future Pinterest marketing tips. Let's get into it. The first way to use AI for Pinterest is ideation, to come up with fresh pin topics, product ideas, or blog angles, both faster and more creatively. Think of AI as a way to spark new ideas and save time, not replace your own brain. Use it to generate new thoughts because you are the reason that your product sells. I like to use ChatGPT to think outside the box. I'll ask it for something like 20 seasonal pin ideas for a gluten-free dessert blog, or trending home office decor tips for fall. Those help me generate new ideas, but then I also leverage other tools such as the Pinterest search bar itself to come up with even more. While it's not pure AI, it's built on Pinterest's own algorithms, and it will surface real-time search suggestions that are popularly used. Then I take those ideas, both from ChatGPT and Pinterest itself, and I run them through Pin Generator's free keyword research tool. So let me explain. This tool is completely free and it uses AI and advanced algorithms to show monthly search volume in related terms. So this step will turn your brainstorm session into hard data that you can actually use to figure out which keywords people are searching for and not just guessing which ones are best. How cool is that? So by combining ChatGPT for quick ideas, Pinterest search for live trends, and Pin Generator's keyword data for proof, you can move from a rough concept to a validated content plan in just minutes. The second way to use AI for Pinterest is pin creation. Pin creation will cover 2 things. First, creating the actual pin with a template-based tool, and second, refreshing and reworking those pins so each one looks and reads differently. Pinterest rewards fresh content, so you don't want every pin to have the same title, same description, or same image. AI can help you with all of this. It can create new titles, new descriptions, and even new images in just seconds. Both of these steps can be done with AI in one of my favorite tools, Pin Generator. It scans your blog, shop, or product page and instantly builds a full set of branded pins. You can save your favorite templates, and from there, you can edit or regenerate key elements, such as swapping in new headlines, updated descriptions, or fresh images so every pin feels unique and stays in Pinterest's good graces. We can even go one step further and use AI to automate the entire process, which leads us to the next section. The third way to use AI for Pinterest, and my absolute favorite, is automation. Once you've created your pins, AI can keep your account active with almost no daily effort. Inside of Pin Generator, they've got a feature called the AutoPin tool, which will automatically create and schedule new pins for you based on the templates you've chosen, your brand colors, and the styles you've already saved. You can set how often it posts, choose the boards to post to, and let it publish on a predetermined schedule. It's that simple. Another big time saver is the RSS feed connection. An RSS feed is really simple. It stands for really simple syndication, and it updates anytime you publish something new, like a blog post or a product link. So Pin Generator can actually read this link, this RSS feed, and instantly turn every new post into pins with AI-generated titles, descriptions, and images. How cool is that? So to connect it, scroll to the footer or side admin bar inside Pin Generator and look for RSS feeds. Click Connect a new RSS feed and paste your site's feed URL. If you're not sure where to find the feed, most websites generate it automatically. For example, it might be yoursite.com/feed. And Pin Generator also has a short 7-minute video tutorial if you need a visual guide. Together, AutoPin and RSS feeds are 2 smart ways to use AI for Pinterest to keep your account growing even when you're focused on the rest of your business. If you want to dig deeper, I have a detailed video on rewriting pin titles, descriptions, and images step by step, and I'll link it below. And if you have any AI-related Pinterest questions, drop them in the comments and I'll answer them or create more videos just for you. If this video helped you get started with AI, give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future Pinterest marketing tips and tutorials. I'm Max. I share weekly videos to help bloggers, online shop owners, and affiliate marketers get their content seen without burning out. I'll see you next week. Let's get generating.